Hello everyone, welcome to our Fun Friday video. Today's video is going to be a super simple, out the door, minimal makeup look. And it's as minimal as I can go, just putting it that way. So, let's get started. I did prime my face. I already put my Algenist primer and my spray, my Tarte Marine Boost spray, just for extra moisture. So, we're going to use the CATRICE because you know that's my favorite, and it's a drugstore one too. So, we'll just get right into it and just put some foundation on, quick as possible. And take my brush and spread it around. I normally don't put it on my eyelids because it's so mattifying, but this is a minimal look. So we're just gonna do it and hope that it doesn't cake up. Okay, and now I'll go back over it with my damp sponge just to make sure that it's not caking and there's no brush strokes. Real quick. Now we're going to go in with our Shape Tape. We're going to blend that out with our sponge real quick a minute, because you always want your canvas, which is your base, to be your focus. The rest is gravy. If you get your canvas done, then the rest is just enhancements of the canvas. So get rid of all the purple. That's why I put primer, which is my concealer, because that's what I use for my eye primer, on my eyelids, is because I have, you know, as you get older, your skin gets thinner and all the veins and whatever else is under there shows through. And then this is just because I can, because I had it out, and so just give us a little brightness. Then I'm just going to, since this is minimalist, I'm going to use my MercierTranslucent powder. I'm not going to use the brightening powder, but I'm going to go in with my translucent powder under my eyes a little bit. And I'm also going to set my eyelids with it. And then I'm going to just go up my nose just to brighten that. So then I'm going to take my brush, set the rest of my face real quick, and brush off any excess of that. Just get it all set. Whoa. And now we're going to go in with our Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and do all our contouring, our blush, everything is going to be with this bronzer. This is just an out the door look, so we don't need pink cheeks. We do want to sculpt the nose a little bit. And then just do that. Go down here, put some color back in our face. And that's it for that. I know my hair keeps falling down. Should have pulled it back, but I didn't have a headband up here. Okay, now we're going to do our eyebrows. Actually, we're gonna do our eyes first. And I'm just going to use my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm going to line my eyes. And I'm going to try and get down in as best I can, because I'm not gonna tight line, because this is a quick look. But I just want to give it a little something. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay, wait, I'm gonna fix that. So that's it for the liner, just a quick line. And I put a little bit of a point to this, not really a wing, it's just a point so that it would lift the corners of my eyes up a little bit. Now I'm gonna do my brows and my lashes and my lips, and I'm only gonna use mascara. I'm not gonna use, actually I would, even for an out the door look, I would use those little demi wispies. But today, I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna put on mascara. But I am gonna do my brows, because that's what you need. Basic face, eyebrows, and eyelashes, and eyeliner. And out the door, and a lipstick, some sort of lipstick. I'm gonna use a nudie color. Have you seen any good movies lately? Like on DVD, because I can't go anywhere. I watched one the other night that my daughter told me, you have to get this, it's good. And it was pretty good. It was Molly's Game. And when she told me to get it, I read about it and it was like, Oh, she ran an underground poker game, and I'm like, that doesn't sound very good. But she insisted it was good. So I rented it, and it was good. I did like it. She also had me watch Game Night. Oh, that one was really good. I liked that one. It was funny. I like funny. I need funny in my life. And the next one we're going to watch, which we didn't get to watch last night because I don't think my mom would like it, is Black Panther. I don't know if it's any good. I haven't seen it yet. But it has good reviews, I think. And I like superhero movies. So I think I'm going to like it. We haven't got to watch it yet. So this is pretty much my quick out the door look. Except I have to add lipstick. I'm going to use this Vivid Lacquer in the color Tease. Okay, so next we're going to put on mascara, and then we're done. I always like to do my brows between my liner and my mascara because that gives my liner time to dry before I start putting on. I'm going to use the Lash Paradise. Hopefully it will give me lashes, because I don't really have very many. I don't know if you guys don't watch my blog, I'm going to do a comparison. I'm going to use that Rapid Lash from Ulta on one eye, and I'm going to use Grande Lash from Sephora on the other eye. And we're going to see if we can grow some lashes. Because I'd like to not wear lashes for the summer. And just wear mascara. Because no matter how good you get at putting on lashes, it still takes more time than putting on mascara. And that is my quick out the door look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Please share this on all your social medias. All you need to do is hit that share button. They'll all pop up and you can hit each one, and it will go out to all your friends and family and everybody who follows you or you know, or is on your Facebook and stuff. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!